So if you have made the system or reset your Windows or reinstall the fresh window on your Windows, so traditional method, we need to go to the browser here and we need to type here install Chrome or any other software which you want to install on your Windows, and then we need to install its exe. But in this video I will show you how you can automate the Windows apps and software installation on your Windows 10 and 11 with the help of bat file and the cmd. You just need to run the cmd as admin. When you purchase a new PC, reset or even install the window on it, you have to go to the traditional method. Just go to browser and then search for the particular app. So with the help of bat file and winget command, we can install with the command prompt. So we need to have the winget in our Windows. So winget is basically the Windows installer package manager directory. When you search on winget on your Windows, okay, so if winget is showing the result like this, so it means that you have the winget install on your Windows, so you don't need to do anything. But if you get the error, this is not recognized as external or internal commands, so we have to install it manually. So this is the requirement in order to install any application with the help of winget. Your Windows 10 should be 189 or later, and in Windows all the versions are supported. So you can type here winver and you can see I have Windows 11 22 S2, and similarly you can look for Windows 10 and as well. It should be more than this version or later, and winget will support it on that. So if you don't have the winget inside your Windows, so we have to manually install that. You need to open these command into PowerShell. As admin and paste, and it will add the package of app installer. If you are unable to install it manually, I will give these commands into my description box. Also run this command. Now close it, close the PowerShell, and now try to execute the winget command now. And if still you are facing the issue that is not recognized, so you need to run this command. So you need to open again PowerShell, right click on it and run it as admin, and run this command. This will add the package, and also if still getting the issue, this will help you in order to install this. Just you need to run these command into the PowerShell. Now once the command are executed, reboot your system and then try to get the winget command now. Okay, so we can make the bat file of winget command in order to install all the basic and all the software available on the Windows Store. Let me type here winget search, then let's say Chrome I want to install. You need to press Y here and then hit yes. Now first option you can see here, Google.Chrome. You need to copy this ID. Just we need to copy this ID here. Okay, and we need to paste it here. Let me make a separate file of bat. We need to type here winget install, then you need to paste the ID. So this is the ID of the software and the publisher is winget. Make sure it should not be the unknown, it should be winget. So let's say second software, press up arrow key and type here Firefox, let's say, and here you will see the result. So we need this Firefox Mozilla, first one. You need to just copy this, only Control C and go to Notepad and paste it like this, and from the front you need to type here winget install the package name after that. Okay, let me now I want to install the 7-zip on my Windows, so I will give the whole the commands into my description box so that you don't need to browse like this, but this is the way to install it. Let me type as cls winget, let's say 7-zip. Okay, winget search 7-zip, press enter key, and the first link we need this one. This is the updated, all the software are installed updated on your Windows. Winget install, then a space and type this ID. Now next thing, winget search, let's say if I want to install VLC, type VLC, and you can see here the first link VLC media. We need to just copy this is the ID, Control C and paste it, and from the front we need to type here winget. Okay, so let's make a bat file now. So you need to go to file here, then click on save as, and locate the destination, save all the files and name it installer.bat. okay, and click on save. Now let me close this now. So now here is the bat file, you can see here installer.bat. so you can paste into the pen drive or anything on it, or even you can store into your Google Drive in order to install multiple applications with the bat file with just one click. So you need to right click on it and simply run it as admin. Now you can see here it will go one by one here. So the bat file which we have created here, let me show you here. So this is, so first of all it is installing the Google Chrome, you can see here, and second it will install the Mozilla.Firefox, then it will go to 7-zip, video player, Notepad++, VisualStudioCode, and last the install MS Office for apps. So now it is installing the Mozilla.Firefox without any manual interaction on it, automatically. Now it has installed the Mozilla.Firefox. It is installing now 7-zip as per this bat file. So this Office 365 is taking more time, guys, since it has directly connected to the internet. So if I show you here the install application. When I click on this option, the upper one, you can see here I have installed Firefox 7-zip. So you can see here I have successfully installed a Google Chrome. Office 365 is continuously running. Microsoft Mozilla is done. 7-zip is done. And VLC was already installed, so it doesn't install it. So this is how, guys, you can install the software automatically on your Windows with the help of winget command. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. You can also join the membership to get the exclusive video and help. So thank you. Thanks for watching.